Hello! Hey guys, it's Barb. Thank you for watching. Christmas is literally around the corner. I can't believe it. Like in only a few days we'll be like, Merry Christmas everyone! Shocking. Guys, I remember like yesterday decorating up my Christmas tree and I did it like at the end of November and now it's almost Christmas. So in today's video I'm gonna show you how to slay your makeup on Christmas Day. If you're new here, you probably don't know how important it is for me to prepare my skin before I put any makeup on, and especially the area under my eyes, because I usually get super dry under my eyes and I hate when my concealer creasing, so I need some extra hydration there. So yeah, that's why I started the video wearing these eye patches. I leave them for like 10 to 15 minutes and then I put eye cream on and pretty much we're good. Okay guys, eye patches are off. Now I'm gonna use this eye cream. I'm not gonna attempt to read it. Now with my ring finger, this is the most important step if you want to have the perfect finish for your makeup. It's all about preparing the skin right, so make sure you do that before you put any makeup on. Okay guys, I put moisturizer on off camera and now we're gonna move to the fun part. I'm gonna start with foundation and I'm gonna use again this foundation. It's the Clinique Beyond Perfecting, and I say again because if you watched my last video I said that I hadn't used this foundation in like months, and now that I tried again I really like this, so here we are. Okay, this shade is definitely not for my natural color. I'm way too pale for this shade, but we will make it work. I usually buy shades that match my self tan, but right now I just don't have any on. It's okay. Of course I could put a lot down my neck. Okay, now I'm gonna move on to the concealer. So guys, today's makeup is very easy, very cute and very suitable for any situation. Like no matter what you're doing on Christmas Day, you can easily wear this makeup. Either if you're going out with your friends or if you're having a family gathering situation or for family pictures, for dinner with your boyfriend, like you can wear it literally everywhere. Even if you're spending Christmas on your own, you can still wear this makeup. Just do it for yourself, like make yourself more presentable, because it's very important to make ourselves feel beautiful and good, and I think makeup can make you feel very pretty. So guys, when I first tried this concealer, I didn't really like it. I thought it was way too much for me, but now I just love it. I use it pretty much every time I do my makeup. Look at this coverage and look at this glow. Okay guys, now I'm gonna leave the face and we're gonna move on with the eyes. I don't have a specific order when I do my makeup, but I know for sure that every time I want to put eyeshadow on my eyes, I want for sure to have a little bit of foundation on and concealer, and then I can do my eyes. Because if I do my eyes first and have nothing on my face, I know for sure that I don't like it. I just look weird. I don't know, I just can't do it. Like I said, this makeup is very easy and everyone can do it, so if I can do it, you definitely can do it. So I'm gonna take a fluffy brush like this and I'm gonna start with this shade here called Sincere, and I'm gonna start blending it up here where my eye crease. I always start with a little bit of a color and then I add more and more so I can have a better control. I always go step by step on both eyes. I can never complete one eye and then go for the other one, because I think when I do both eyes at the same time I have a better control. Okay, very lightly we're going out. Okay, now we're gonna take a flat brush like this and we're gonna choose a dark brown color. I think I'm gonna go for this chocolate souffle, and we're gonna tap the whole color on the eyelid. Okay, now with the brush that we used for the previous shade, we're gonna blend these two together. I know that now it looks kind of crazy, but just we need to trust the process here. Like this. Now we're gonna take this tiny brush and I'm gonna take this gold brown color here and I'm gonna put it under the eyes, very close to my waterline. My eyes are way too sensitive. Guys, I'm loving it. I think it looks really good. Okay guys, we're almost done with the eyes. Okay, now I'm gonna put some black eye pencil on my waterline. So we'll do it off camera and I'll be right back. So guys, I was so right for the black pencil under the eyes. It completely elevated the whole eye look. I'm so obsessed. Like, it looks so good. And also finished the eye look with some mascara. If you're a false lashes girl, definitely go for it, because for this makeup look it's matte knitted. I don't really wear false lashes, I don't have any, but right now I wish I had. Okay guys, eyes are done. Now I'm gonna continue with the face. So we're gonna move on with bronzer. Okay guys, I must admit for one more time, the bronzer is literally my favorite makeup product. I love it so much. Okay guys, so since we're doing a Christmas makeup, I would like to know, what are your Christmas plans? Like, what are you doing? Who do you spend the Christmas holidays with? And in general, like, what are you up to? So write me in the comments below your plans. So for me, it will be like home, chilling, relaxing, spending time with my family. I will eat a lot of food and probably will have a couple of drinks. My favorite cocktail at the moment is the dry martini. Like, I'm literally obsessed. I don't know why I'm talking about drinks and cocktails on my video. Now we're gonna move on with the powder. And a little bit around the nose, because I get oily sometimes here. Okay, now we'll finally do my eyebrows because they look terrible. I will brush them up with the spoolie. Okay, so for my eyebrows I will do pretty much the same thing that I always do. I just want to give them some definition and then I will set them with some clear brow gel. To be honest, I don't know how my makeup looks on the camera, guys, but in person, I think I did a really good job. And boom, they're done. Okay, and as the last step for the face, I'm gonna use a little bit of powder blush. I know that it might look so lot as a makeup and kind of complicated, but literally guys, if you finish with the eyes, then the rest of the face is just so easy. You just do your makeup how you always do it. So yeah, definitely try it and go for it. Okay guys, now I'm gonna move on with the lips, and this is going to be the last part of today's makeup. So just because we have intense and dark eyes, I think I will go for something nude for the lips. So if you know me, you know that I'm a lipless girl and I'm a lip oil girl and I like anything glossy and juicy. But today I think I'm gonna switch things up. So I have this Huda Beauty Prom Night matte lipstick and I think I'm gonna go with this one. Let me show you the color. Such a beautiful color. Okay, so let's try this one, and if I don't like it, I will put some gloss on top. Okay, do we like it? I wish you could answer me right now. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna leave it like this because this is the first time, like, it's so long that I'm wearing a matte lipstick again. So I'm gonna leave it like this. Okay guys, I have one more step before I set my face with the setting spray. I forgot to highlight my nose, and I will highlight up here and here. Last step, setting my face with the setting spray. Hi again. Okay guys, I changed into something more relatable with this makeup look. So this is the final result. Okay guys, and this is how to slay your makeup on Christmas Day. So what do you think, guys? Do we like it or not? So I'm gonna love you and leave you. I hope you have the loveliest, the healthiest and the happiest Christmas ever. And now back to our things. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up because it helps me a lot. You can also follow me on other platforms. I will have them linked in the description box. And I will hopefully see you to our next video. Bye!